Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice question. Find the sum to infinity of the GP 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, 1 over 27, and so on and so forth. So for us to obtain this, we use the formula. The sum to infinity is given by A over 1 minus R. So all we need to do is just identify these two terms, A and R. So A is normally the first term, and the first term in this case is 1. So we have 1. And then R is the common ratio, which can be given by dividing a number by the preceding number. So you can take 1 over 3 divided by 1, 1 over 3 divided by 1, or you could take 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3, and you'll find that R is 1 over 3. So that the sum to infinity will be A, and A is 1 over 1 minus R, and R is a third. So you'll have 1 over 1 minus a third. 1 minus a third is 2 thirds. So that is the same as taking 1 times 3 over 2, which will just be equal to 3 over 2, which you can also write as 1.5. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.